हेलो चिल्ड्रन, में सीखेंगे ABCD। तो प्यारे बच्चों, वीडियो को पूरा देखना। ये जानते हैं कलर्स नेम: पर्पल कलर, रेड कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पिंक कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर। A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. Green colored. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sheep, S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra.